Alright, it's me again. Well, phase 2 started today. So we're getting ready, they're starting to build. So we took all the pictures down, took almost everything out down here. This is stuff that was in the back. Oh, there's somebody I know.
Hello. Hi, it's been a while. House is a mess. It started day one of house extension. I don't know if you can hear the noise outside, but they're drilling and cutting.
And we moved our kitchen inside the living room.
Yes.
The refrigerator's going there.
A mess and not too fun.
Okay.
A lot of takeout.
Takeout. Oh, and our dog. These couches is the dog's couch. We'll get new ones when he gets bigger. So anyway, I'll show you the outside. Growing some more grass for fish tank. They're knocking it out for the first day. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to move. And then the dogs, they don't know me yet, so they're going to be barking. Yeah, this is grass for my fish tank. I grow grass that grows underwater. And anyway, first day.
You show the back?
Yeah. So anyway, this is what the house is going to look like. You see the first part of the house, and then we're building the garage on one side, and what's the other side going to be?
Family room.
Oh yeah, my retirement room. You know, old people can't climb stairs. So, but anyway, we had to pull everything out of our kitchen in the back and put in here. So, and then this wall's going to be gone. So we're going to have to move all this stuff either in the other house or upstairs. Go ahead and show, babes. You're the... You know, we had this rain, and now we have 1,000 frogs. Baby frogs. Right. See, they're working over there. All this is going to be gone. Goldie, you want to give the details?
Wall. They're going to build the wall, and then the side walls, and of course the roof. And then
all that's going to be
take
gone.
all this off. So the house will be pretty much extended to the back, and this will be our kitchen over here.
Anything else?
That's it. I guess life in the next 3 to 4 months is gonna suck, but we're hoping by December everything will be done, and we can have a peaceful Christmas.
Did you tell them about your face? That's pretty. Golden had a facelift.
No,
not really.
No, I'm just treating my melasma, so it'll be gone. Now it's getting lighter. But that's not a facelift.
So you got that from the boat.
Melasma treatment. Yes, from the sun. Working in the sun all the time.
Okay, well, this is going to be a short video. So, for one, I don't have anything to talk about. There's my samurai, and we always put sunglasses on him. So, anyway.
Oh, our neighbor gave us this pineapple from Guam.
Yeah, pineapple from Guam. He said it's really sweet. So, anyway, I'm running out of things to say. So, you got any final words?
See you tomorrow.
All right. See you tomorrow.
Progress. Day 2 progress.
Oh, I forgot to say it's me again.
Yeah, you did.
I said it already.
Alzheimer's.
Old timers. All right. Bye.